I have had many experiences at the hospital. The most recent one was, unbeknownst to me, I had been walking around with pancreatitis for an extended period of time and went in and got that checked out and was admitted to the hospital to take care of the pancreatitis. But then through a series of testing and so forth, found out that the gallbladder was, as the doctor referred to, a little sludged up. So they removed the gallbladder at that time also. Dr. Renner was the first physician that I saw. I was referred to from my primary physician, Dr. Schnell. But there was a little jaundice that was showing up in the eye, so he signed me up for, scheduled some tests and so forth at the hospital. And before I could get through all of them, some of the tests had been fed back to him, and he said, enough with the test, get him admitted, and we'll go from there. One of the comfort factors when I was in was once there was diagnosed that it was the gallbladder and so forth, it didn't just end there. It was a continuing progression of informing me of what the next step would be, what I could anticipate, what was being done and why it was being done. And that helped me personally. It's extremely important having Parma Hospital in the greater community, especially for the residents of Parma Heights. We're an aging community. Our ambulance runs were 3,250 last year, and we expect those to go up. Their heart center there is just phenomenal. Had the opportunity to tour that. So there's a comfort level here. There's a comfort level with the residents. And many of these residents were here when the hospital was first built and first started, and Parma Heights being one of the charter communities involved there. There is a lot of interaction between the community and between the hospital, and the hospital has really assisted and helped us. We have a run that we've really promoted quite a bit, and it's growing every year. It's the Gazebo Gallop. It's a 5K, and the hospital participation is extremely high, and we appreciate that. The sponsorship we appreciate, and it's just another of many examples of the continuing partnership between the city and the hospital.